us look at question 20a. In the answer space below is an incomplete simple program in pseudocode for calculating and outputting the volume V of a cone given the base radius R and height H. Complete the program by filling in the blank spaces with appropriate statements, and that one is 2 marks. So the first thing that we need to know is how do we find the volume of a cone. So the volume of a cone is given by 1/3 pi r square h. This is the volume of the cone. So if we know the volume of the cone, then enter this into the code in such a way that we are able to calculate the volume using the formula. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to enter the value of R and H. Remember, the pi is already encoded in the program. We just need to call it. So the first thing is we need to enter the value of radius and height. Once we enter those values, then we use the formula of the volume of a cone, which is 1/3 multiplied by, so we use stem in programming, pi, which we call, then multiplied by r, again multiplied by r, which is r squared. So we use multiply r itself twice, then multiply by height. Once we do that, then we should be able to get output V, which should give us the volume. So this is how you answer this question to get the 2 marks. Let us move to question B. Shade 2 more sections of the diagram in the answer space so that it has a rotational symmetry of order 2. So we are looking for rotational symmetry of order 2. So when you're talking about rotational symmetry of order 2, we are saying when the shape is rotated 180 degrees, which is half a turn, it looks the same. It looks like the way it was before. That's what the symmetry of order 2 means. In this case, we notice that we have this area, so we need to shade this part so that these are opposite. So this is straight line. Remember, this is straight line, so that we have 180 degrees opposite. Then the next one is we need to have an opposite here. So we will need to shade this part also. So once we do that, you notice that this is 180 degrees, this is the opposite, this is the opposite. So if you rotate from here, how many times? Twice. From here to here, it will be at 180 degrees. 180 degrees straight line, meaning this point comes here. It will be 1, 2, so meaning this one will be here, then this one will move 1, 2, it will come here. It would have moved 1, 2, it will come here. So that there is 180 degrees rotation. So these are the areas we need to shade. Once you shade these, then we should be good to go and we get these 2 marks.